Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I have an item to share with you today from FGoby. This is our sort of markup, so I know where things are from. They've sent me an item to show you today. They were kind enough to do that. So let me show you what I chose. This I see as a bit of a statement piece that you could do for somewhere. It is a 40 by 90 and it is orientated this way, but I think it would work both ways. In fact, the bird to me seems to be more that way than the other way, though having said that, there's a bird down here that maybe is the other way. I see it as this way. I think this is the way it was on the site. Maybe that was just a better way for the canvas. It's not too many colours. It is 14 colours, so there is a bit of blocking if you like blocking. There is 310, though of course that is in all the branches, but look at that. How good would that look above a bed, for example? You do get 2 toolkits. If you would like to share, I'm not a fan of sharing my diamond paintings. Not one I'm working on anyway. But you never know, you guys maybe. It does have quite a pink background, even though it doesn't necessarily look it as much on here. So the first symbol B, that is in quite a few places. And then what symbol A is 819. Which is this one. So this is sort of your background colours. 819 we have, is that 819 as well? Yeah, we have 5 packets of that, so there is quite a few. There is 3 packets of 310, but there is also a lot of red. There's 2 different reds there, 2 packets of each. They're very, very similar, but they're not. No, they're not exactly the same, but they are very similar. So you're going to get some very nice shading on there. Say black, we have 3 lots. We have a bit of grey. We have this lighter sort of beigey type colour, which will tie in with the likes of the pinks and the peaches to bring in your background. See those 3? So a nice chunk of colours if you like your blocking. You can definitely get away with blocking on this one. And then we do have a few that are really, really pops of pink, along with the more beigey colours, because we have got little pops of pink in with this red. Can you see it there? We have got pops of pink in with that as well. It is down as a 40 by 90. And the actual diamond area is just short of 35 by, if I can get to it, just short of, get my tape measures at the end, 84.5 is the width across. But I do think this would look lovely above a bed, for example. It would probably look lovely on a living room wall as well, behind a couch, depending on what your colour schemes are. But I just really like the impact that this one had. Bit of oomph. So yeah, thank you so much to FGoby, or FGoby, I'd pronounce it as. I will pop a link to this down below, of course. They do have many other paintings, but this is definitely the one that sort of caught my eye to share with you all. But yeah, I will pop links down below. So thank you to them for sending me this. Thank you to you guys for watching, as always. And I will speak to you all again soon.